Morning students, last class explanation of format of formal letter. Format of formal letter. You know, six parts of the letter. Six parts of the letter. One is here is heading. First one is here is heading. Second one is here is salutation. That is greeting. That is how to express, how to address. It should be depend upon receiver and sender. Salutation is depend upon receiver and sender. Third one is body of the letter. So here we describe here content of the letter especially. Next fourth one is here subscription. That is conclusion of the letter. How to conclude the letter. Then next fifth one is here is signature. Generally letters we should take letters examiners point of view. We need not put signature and we did not write roll number of students. So you should avoid instead of signature or instead of roll number you should write X, Y, Z. Okay. Next sixth one is here is it is superscription. It is known as address on the envelope. Address on the envelope. So we write here two address. Okay, children. Now last class I explained here is format of formal letter. That is official letter. So you know there is heading is here. There is from address and to address. So here respected sir, comma next subject. Thanking you sir. So here is yours. Faithfully, no apostrophe in yours. So next X, Y, Z. Here is a format. Here is a format of informal. That is personal letter. Format of informal or personal, that is letter. So generally heading is this is a page, just like here is children. You should be think this is space. So you should write here is a place or here is date. But some there is they wrote here station also. SCATI station also right. So here is this is heading, place and date. Here where and when. Next here is after that. Here is dear friend. For example, we have write a letter to friend. So generally, informal letters, one who write letters, one who write parents, mother, father, uncle, aunt, relatives. Here is friends generally. Okay. So for example, dear friend. Some for example, dear Prasad, dear Mohan, dear Radha. You know. Comma. Next here is regarding here is subject matter, just like here is body of the letter. Here is content, body of the letter. Then afterwards here is convey. Convey my regards to your parents and best wishes to your brother and sister. Afterwards here is yours lovingly. And don't write your name X, Y, Z. Comma, full stop. Here you should write here is address. ADDRES. Address and the pins here write to, and here is there is name of the friend. If the boy is there, son of. If the girl is there, daughter of. Name of the friend, son of S by O or daughter of D by O, door number, street, area. For example, we are that is right letter here is Amravati. Now, their house address is Nellore or Gudivada or Bandar. Anything. Here house is different. So this is in this letter. Here is it is generally known as called first one. It is known as heading. Second one is it should be Salutation. Salutation. Addressing here is how to address. Next one is, third one is body of the letter. Then fourth one is here is subscription. How to conclude the letter. Fifth one is here is signature. But we don't have signature, we should here X, Y, Z. And sixth one is here is address on the envelope. There is a superscription, address on the envelope. This is the format of personal letter. Generally, here is a letter to friend describing any incident or any event. Now, children, so this is a format of personal letter or informal letter. So, last class I already explained format of formal letter. But this is the board. Just I am going to here show format of formal and format of informal. Okay, just to observe how it is. Here, personal letter. Then here is place and date. Common full stop. Here is addressing or dear. So here is dear father or dear dad, dear mom. Okay. Here is after explanation, here the body of the letter is just like that. Then this is body of the letter. This is body of the letter. Here is content, body. So you write convey my regards, as you know. Convey my regards to your parents. Here is convey my regards to mom and best wishes my sister. Okay. Then here yours lovingly. Then comma X Y Z. Okay. Here is address on the envelope. Again. So here is to name, that is here, that's the box is like this. But whereas here informal letter is a formal, informal letter place, date or time, name of the station, the date, full stop, dear father, dear mother, or dear uncle, or dear aunt, or here is dear dad, dear friend. Subject matter, this is content, body of the letter, two paragraph we should express generally. Then convey my regards, it is courtesy, just next here is conclusion, yours lovingly, comma, no apostrophe, yours here is X, Y, Z and address and love to address. So whereas here is that is official letter. Official letter, it is known as formal letter. Here is from, same thing here is place and date, here is like that using comma full stop. Here is from and don't use any punctuation marks. Here is to, that is for example the municipal commissioner, or that is here is comma comma full stop, comma full stop, and respected sir or sir, dear sir is there, respected sir is there. So next here is subject matter beginning. And then after thanking you sir or thank you sir, here that is yours faithfully, comma X, Y, Z. Children, see that this is here is official letter format. Official letter format. Simple place and date. Here is from address to address. It is for a setting is there. Then salutation, addressing, receiving, that is here different, because I already explained. I told you here this is addressing or salutation. You should be changed from one letter to next letter because it is personal letter. It is informal letter. So it is a formal letter. So here respected sir or dear sir, respected sir is there. But here is dear. Okay. So here salutation should be changed. It is depend upon sender and receiver. Sender and receiver. So here is subject. Generally two paragraph we have to describe about content, two paragraph. Here also two paragraph. It is body. Is body matter, content, subject matter. Next here is convey my regards. It is courtesy. Convey my regards. For example, your mother. Convey my regards to mom, father. For example, you are writing a letter to your mother by addressing father. Father, convey my regards to your father. Or for example, writing a letter to your friend. So you are addressing to your friend. So convey my regards to your parents. So it is a courtesy. But the same here is thank you sir or thank you madam is a courtesy. The letter courtesy. So of course here is subscription should be changed because it is official letters. Generally official letters subscription is yours faithfully or yours sincerely. For example, one who writes letter to editor, yours truly letters. Okay, but yours faithfully. So one thing children, many of the students they wrote here is yours like this. Yours like this. Absolutely wrong. Because if it is done, if it is that is your answer skipped, so here is a minus of mark. That is you will lose. So that is 3 marks or 2.5 marks. Because a big mistake. Because why? Yours is pronoun. Don't use apostrophe in yours. Here yours is pronoun. So don't use apostrophe in yours. Okay. So in this way, don't use any apostrophe like this yours, especially letters. Okay. So in this way, here is official letter. Next, thanking sir, yours faithfully, express. I already told you. Don't write your number. Don't write your name in your examination. So this is here XYZ. Here personal letters XYZ. But where are outside letters we have to write. Nowadays that is here is it is seeing cell phone communication now. But those in the year 1980s, 1970s, 1960s, 1940s and 1950s, letters that is here personal, that is memories. So we should keep some letters for a long time. When we should open the letter particularly, so here is memories or that is remembering in front of us. But it gives a generally it's a mirror about ourselves. ఒక లెటర్ ఒక ఫ్రెండ్ రాశాడు ఓ 10 years అయింది ఒక 15 years అయిపోయింది ఆ లెటర్ను ఇప్పుడు ఓపెన్ చేసి చూస్తే ఆ 15 years మీ ఫ్రెండ్ చెప్పింది ఇప్పటికి కొన్ని మైండ్లో అలా ట్యూన్ అవుతున్నాం తను నీ ముందుకు వచ్చిన ఇన్ ఫ్రంట్ ఆఫ్ తను నీ ముందుకు వచ్చిన ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసేట్టుకుంటారు లెటర్ అంతా పవర్ఫుల్ ఆ పవర్ఫుల్ మెసేజ్ అది లెటర్ పోస్ట్ అనగానే 25 years బ్యాక్ వెళ్ళి 30 years బ్యాక్ వెళ్ళి పోస్ట్ అంటే ఒకసారి అలర్ట్ అయ్యేవాడు జనరల్గా రన్నింగ్ అట్లీస్ట్ హియర్ ఈజ్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ హియర్ ఈజ్ కారిడార్ రన్నింగ్ టు క్యాచ్ ద లెటర్ ఆ లెటర్ తీసుకుంటారామని పోస్ట్ అనగానే వాయిస్ కూడా వినిపించదండి పోస్ట్ అని బట్ వి నెవర్ హర్డ్ దట్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ సౌండ్ ఇప్పుడు పోస్ట్ మ్యాన్ డిడ్ నాట్ డెలివర్ లెటర్స్ పార్సెల్స్ లాగా వస్తున్నాయి ఓకే సో చిల్డ్రన్ లెటర్స్ అనేవి అంత ఇంపాక్ట్ ఉంది మన లైఫ్ మీద సో హియర్ ఈజ్ యువర్స్ ఫెయిత్ఫుల్లీ XYZ లెటర్ రైటింగ్ లో XYZ రాస్తున్నాం బయట XYZ రాస్తే యాక్సెప్ట్ చేయరండి నువ్వు లెటర్ రాసావు కమిషనర్ లెటర్ రాసినప్పుడు పోలీస్ ఆఫీసర్కి యూ హావ్ సిగ్నేచర్ యువర్స్ లవింగ్లీ యువర్ ఫ్రెండ్ రాసావు నీ ఫ్రెండ్ బయట లెటర్ రాసావు సైన్ చేయి బాగుంది బయట ఎగ్జామినేషన్ నీడ్ నాట్ సైన్ and need not write your own number XYZ enough here XYZ enough then personal letter address మనలో రాస్తాం కదా ఫ్రెండ్ అడ్రస్ కవర్ మీద envelope and cover so to friend name and father name and door number clearly here need not write Just here from under to official, just they should open the letter and from where does it come from and what happened, everything is. So after that respective subject is given. Okay, in this way, here is you should take the letter 1.5 page, you should be finished, or else we should be finished 1 page. Okay, but some students completed all things except this they wrote to next page. స్టూడెంట్స్ చాలా డిఫరెంట్గా ఉంటారు. అంతా స్టార్ట్ చేస్తారు 1 పేజ్ కంప్లీట్ అయిపోద్ది. నెక్స్ట్ పేజ్లో యువర్స్ ఫెయిత్ఫుల్లీ ఎక్స్పెజెడ్ ఆ థ్యాంకింగ్ సార్ యువర్స్ ఫెయిత్ఫుల్లీ ఎక్స్పెజెడ్ ఫ్రంట్ వస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్ పేజ్లో యువర్స్ లవింగ్లీ ఎక్స్పెజెడ్ అడ్రస్ అని ఉంటుంది. నెక్స్ట్ పేజ్లో ఫ్రెష్గా బిగినింగ్ అండి. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ రిడిక్యులస్, ఇట్ ఈస్ కంప్లీట్లీ మీనింగ్లెస్. ఓకే, ఇఫ్ ద పేజ్ ఇస్ నాట్ సఫిషియెంట్, నో డౌట్ యూ షుడ్ టేక్ దిస్ పారాగ్రాఫ్ ఆర్ సమ్ పారాగ్రాఫ్, 1 పారాగ్రాఫ్, కంటిన్యూ నెక్స్ట్ పేజ్. నెక్స్ట్ పేజ్ వెళ్ళి ఇక్కడ ఒక పారాగ్రాఫ్ డిస్క్రైబ్ చేయి, నెక్స్ట్ పారాగ్రాఫ్ కంక్లూజన్ నెక్స్ట్ పేజ్ క్లోజ్ చేయి, నో ప్రాబ్లం. అంతేగాని సో 1 పేజ్లో ఈ సఫిషియెంట్ లేదని ఈ రివర్స్ ఫెయిత్ఫుల్లీ ఆ రివర్స్ ఫెయిత్ లవింగ్లీ తీసుకెళ్ళి నెక్స్ట్ పేజ్లో పోస్ట్ చేసేసి చక్కగా లెటర్ క్లోజ్ చేస్తున్నారు. 98% దట్ ఈస్ దే విల్ లూజ్ 1 or 1.5 mark. Bad impression. Don't do that, please. Okay, children. Think I will explain next in new topic your class. Thank you.